Welcome to the Wednesday Q&A. How do I rebuild my credit? The answer to this question is much easier said than done. Pay down your outstanding balances and pay off your month-to-month charges at the end of every billing cycle. As far as debt's concerned, many of our clients have had success using programs to analyze your outstanding balances and figure out the most efficient method of knocking them down. Once your debts are paid off, it becomes a balancing act of maintaining on-time payments and being sure that you use some, but not too much, of your available credit every month. One point of caution here: don't fall victim to those credit repair services that promise to remove bad items from your credit report in exchange for a fee. These companies often promise more than they can deliver, and the money would have been better spent reducing your outstanding balances. If you have questions about this week's content or need help with your financial plan, we're here to help. Call Gregory Ricks & Associates, 504-832-9200.